Okay, and welcome back. Another spray paint test. This time it is going to be the Ace spray paint. I've never used this, but oftentimes I get my Rust-Oleum at Ace, and I always see this there, and I've been wondering, so we're going to try it. Now, it says that it is a paint and primer, so I'm expecting it to be kind of thick. Kind of like the Rust-Oleum paint and primer is thicker than the regular paint, but we'll find out. Thicker would be better at this point, because the application that I have coming up, I'm having to cover yellow with light gray, and so this is really a test to see how well it's going to cover. We're going to see how well it covers the blue, and then I also brought a piece of that yellow out, so we're going to find out. And so this is the basic test. A bare spoon, bare polystyrene to see if it's going to react to it, craze the plastic or otherwise. And then we have the other test where we have primed the spoon with Rust-Oleum primer. And the idea is that the primer would protect the plastic from the solvents in the paint. So we'll see how that does. And then to add to it, we are bringing a little piece of wood out here, just a tongue depressor, because they say they're good on wood and metal and things like that. So we're going to see how that comes out. And then, of course, this test, styrofoam is very delicate and will react to paint that has a lot of solvents in it. So we're going to see if this is a hot paint or a mild paint, depending on how it reacts to that bare styrofoam. So let's spray this stuff and see how it comes out. Okay, so here's the first look at it. This is after just one coat, and I will continue to put more coats on there, but it's covering really good. This the way it sprays, it's reminding me of the Walmart paint, that 99-cent paint. The Walmart, especially the Walmart Gloss Black, for 99 cents is fantastic paint. And as you can see here, it is covering that yellow pretty good, even on one coat. But I will continue. I'll put on probably 2 more coats, 20 minutes apart, and I think this is going to work. This is good. By the way, I got this can on sale for like $2.49. So if this turns out to be, and regular price is $3, so if it turns out to be good paint, gosh, I'm going to go get more colors. But we'll find out. Who knows what's going to happen on the second coat. Let's see. Okay guys, here we go. I'm going to stop here. This is 2 coats. Just 2 coats. I was going to put on 3, but it's totally covered. Let me get in close here. Absolutely no reaction on the plastic. And it's completely covered. These were blue. And it's nice and shiny. And exactly the same result on the primed surface, so it doesn't react to the primer. Not Rust-Oleum primer anyway. And then the plate, now you're going to see wrinkles in the plate, but that is not from the paint. That's just wrinkles in the plate. The wrinkles were there before. But it does not react, so it's not a hot paint. It is would be a good craft paint. And then on the wood, since it is a spot filler primer, let's see how far, I said spot filler primer, it's because I'm looking at spot filler primer. But no, this is a paint and primer, so it's a little bit thicker than regular paint. And so as you can see here on the wooden surface, like down here where it's lighter, didn't cover so well. But up here, it actually filled it in a bit. So that is good. And then, for the project I got coming up, I can see that it's going to work very, very well. So this test was very successful, and I'm very happy with this. So what I found here is another good spray paint source, and they have got a lot of colors too. So I'm gonna go get some more of this stuff. So this is a success. It's good paint, guys. Go get you some. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned for more.